Welcome back to Crypto Brains. Today, we're diving into a confirmed airdrop by TAKER protocol, a groundbreaking liquidity protocol that's redefining how crypto assets like NFTs, metaverse items, and synthetic tokens are rented and liquidated. Backed by Dragonfly Capital, one of the most influential Tier 1 investors in the crypto industry, this project is poised to make waves. Stay tuned to discover how you can participate and claim your share. As always, let's start by checking the funding. TAKER Protocol raised $3 million in April 2021, led by Electric Capital and supported by Dragonfly Capital. This strong backing from top-tier investors highlights the project's potential to transform liquidity in NFTs, synthetic assets, and other crypto assets. Now, let's see how we can participate in the airdrop and make the most of this opportunity. First, head to their website. You'll find the link in the description. Then connect using your wallet. You can use any wallet you prefer, but personally I recommend MetaMask. Once you're set up and ready to start mining, you'll need to bind your X account to complete the process. Once your account is bound, you'll be able to start mining. All you have to do is click the starting mining button to begin. Keep in mind, you'll need to reactivate it every 24 hours to continue earning. Then scroll down a bit and complete the social media missions. This will earn you 2,500 points and unlock double points for your mining activity. For the daily tasks, you'll earn 180 points each day. Simply click Go, then Verify, and the task will be completed. Just make sure the CAPTCHA is verified to finalize it. That's it for today's video. As you can see, participating in TAKER Protocol's airdrop is straightforward and doesn't take much effort. Just a few simple steps, and you're on your way to earning rewards from this innovative project backed by top-tier investors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.